Hi guys, we are just checking to our hotel room. We are staying at Manchester Grand Hyatt San Diego downtown. We booked king size room with a corner view, so we will get a city view and the bay view. So it's very nice, and I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. Let's see what we got. This is our room. I booked a corner, king size corner bedroom with a bay and city view. So this is the bathroom. Just normal regular bathroom, nothing fancy. Here's the bathtub. We have towel right over there and some toiletries. Closet here. So we got the closet, some extra pillows, hangers, and a safe. Some laundry bags and normal stuff, nothing fancy. And here we got king size bed, two lamps, and the alarm. It's a big nice TV, and we have some coffee right over here and the water, and we have a writing table or office decks or workstation right here, which is nice if you're on vacation and you still have to do some office works. Here we have a chair. It has a, we have a small another window that you can see the city from another. And we got another chair here. Okay, check this out guys. We got awesome view of the harbor, San Diego harbor. The best thing is this room is the view, guys.
There was a headline in the New York Post. Oh yeah, New York singles ready for slutty summer of casual sex as